Yo, what is going on, Kangaroo Hunters? Earn with Todd back here, and in this video I'm actually going to show you all the highlights of 100 plus pip trades I've done using the Kangaroo Tail indicator. So I'm going to pull up a couple pictures, I'm going to pull up some videos, and you're going to see my best trades over the last couple of weeks. So let's go ahead and dive right in. First ones I want to show you, we're going to start off with a couple pictures. So this one was one of my first Kangaroo trades on the S&P 500, and we got 100 pips on that trade. The next one we checked out was another Kangaroo. This time was for 102 pips. As you can see, very classic example of the Kangaroo. Here you got the 1 minute chart right there. You got a nice little wick on the top there and price just drops. And then on this one, this was another 1 minute candle, S&P 500. Quick 121 pips on that one. And here we got another phenomenal trade. This time I bagged 145 pips on this. This was before I was really streaming, so I was just taking little pictures. And as you can see, that is a live account if you look on the top of that picture. So let's keep on going down the list here. Okay, my original zone was on that green line up there, but I closed out around 210 pips on that one. Again, this was on a 1 minute chart for the S&P 500. And now one of my biggest trades, unfortunately I did not catch this on video, but I remember this distinctly. It was a Sunday and there was this was actually a 5 minute Kangaroo, and I did 2 micro lots, and my stop loss was probably only like 40 pips I remember. And then about an hour went by, and this is when the market paused due to the coronavirus. Crazy shit was going on in the stock market world also. They paused trading. Very next morning, it opens actually 1,000 pips, and as you can see down there, it narrowly missed my TP for 1,000 pips, and because it moved so fast I was not able to close it, but I was able to close out 750 pips on that one also. This was my biggest S&P 500 trade ever, along with my biggest trade ever in history, and they're just going to keep getting bigger. So now I'm going to pull up some video highlights. So this one was actually another 1 minute Kangaroo. This was off of Tesla actually, and as you can see on the top of the video, there was 2 1 minute Kangaroos that printed. I finally got in at the top, and I closed out for 105 pips, as you see right here.
Was Tesla at 100 pips?
So not bad for a Tesla trade, especially a 1 minute Kangaroo. So let's keep going down the list. Here is 134 pips.
Will we see 24.90?
So this is why I'm trading indices right now. So do not be afraid to trade these. Okay, I'm only using 40, 50 pip stops on this. This was another 1 minute Kangaroo, and I closed out for 137 pips, thanks to the Kangaroo Tail indicator. By the way, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to buy this Kangaroo Tail indicator. It's only going to be $17 a month. And here was a point. Okay, we can kind of see how this trade developed. I finally entered right there. Drawdown was about 20 pips. And, you know, as time went on, we kept going the right direction. By the way, guys, you do not want to miss my Twitch streams. And we kept going up. My original TP was about 200 pips, but I finally closed up here. I was decided, you know what, I'm going to bag. I'm not going to get too greedy. So I closed out 172 pips right there. So not a bad trade, especially on the 1 minute also. Now this trade, I did about 181 pips, another 1 minute Kangaroo. This is why I'm trading so much indices, because you can get hundreds of pips within minutes. You don't got to wait days, but like compared to a lot of Forex pairs, because of the volatility in the world right now, it's a damn good idea to start trading indices. The opportunity is unprecedented. You don't want to miss these opportunities, especially when I'm doing them live on Twitch stream. Now this one, you can see I was up 260 pips at the peak, and I moved my stop loss up, obviously. So here I noticed another Kangaroo printed. This time it was a bearish Kangaroo, so I was getting a little worried. So right here you see me move my stops. I'm locking up 200 pips, and sure enough, it does go down to hit that. So glad I put my stop there, bagged 200 pips on that. Really, really good trade done live on Twitch. Now this one, you'll see how this one developed. I was trading just 1 micro lot, S&P 500 again, and you'll notice a second position I entered because a second Kangaroo showed up. So I'm going to play this whole clip.
What's up, everyone? Look at that. We're up 230 pips right now. First Kangaroo right there. We entered. I didn't move my break even. Look at that. Woo!
You guys see that? I was floating 362 pips in profit off of 1 minute Kangaroos. And that's all of the clips that I'm going to show you today. So ladies and gentlemen, make sure you do not miss my Twitch streams. I recently just put $1,000 on the account. So you've been seeing me trade with like $400, $500. Come Sunday tomorrow and the coming months, I'm officially trading with a $1,000 account. So we're going to see a lot more trading opportunities. But with that said, I do want to pull up the Kangaroo Tail indicator. Make sure you guys know how to buy it. I'm going to leave all the links down below. It's only $17 a month. Okay, so this is where you get the Kangaroo Tail indicator. You actually have to buy it through the MQL5 website. This is for the MetaTrader 4 version. So once you click that link, this is the page you will actually see. And also, I would really appreciate it, guys, if you could also come over here to the review page, drop a couple reviews. This is actually my review up here, but guys, it would really help me if you could leave some reviews on here. I will leave the review link down below in the video description. So if you've had success, make sure to please leave a 5-star review. It doesn't gotta be a very long review, just a couple minutes, and I would truly appreciate that. So guys, with that said, thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and as always, if you got any questions, contact me on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to my page on Twitch, all my updates, so you don't miss any of these live trading sessions. So thank you, and I'll be seeing you, ladies and gentlemen, in the next video. Kangaroo Hunter is signing off.